guys, it's Tommy here at Raw Blend. It's currently springtime here in Australia, so I'm going to make for you a beautiful strawberry vinaigrette in the 600ml blending cup for the Vitamix Ascent series. So these are an awesome accessory if you're into making salad dressings, baby foods, or smaller sized beverages. They're really handy to have, and that just attaches to the blade base here. So let's get started. I'm just going to throw in some red wine vinegar. In it goes. I've got some lemon juice. So just squeeze that straight in. Got a few seeds in there, it's not going to matter. It'll smash it up nice and fine. Got a little bit of garlic, just half a garlic clove for some flavor. I'm going to put in my herbs. I've got some fresh basil, beautiful smell, some beautiful fresh mint, and some chives as well, straight out of my herb garden at home. And then we're going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper, and I've got some strawberries. So about 1 punnet or 200 grams of strawberries. We're going to put those in there. So a little bit of a different salad dressing to what you're normally used to. We're going to screw our blade base into place. Now this actually has a little arrow on it. You're not going to see that on there on camera, but I basically line up those little arrows and then I know that it's on securely. So let's put our 600ml container onto the motor base. I'm going to hit our drinks setting here, which I can also use for salad dressings. And this model will automatically recognize the 600ml container and it adjusts the blending time to suit. So it's showing up with 38 seconds. So that's a pretty cool feature of the Ascent 3500 model. So I'm just going to hit start. It's automatically going to turn off for us when it's done. Away we go. Alright, that's how simple and easy it is. The 3500 switches itself off for us. I'm just going to take that blade base off. Oh, that smells absolutely amazing. Put this over your favorite spring or summer salad, and you also get this little lid just to secure that. You can put that in the fridge and store it up to a couple of weeks. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to pour that over the salad in a moment and try some of that. Happy blending!